In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple blur transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have footage ready to edit. Either option works as long as you can access your timeline. Next, add at least 2 video clips to the timeline. A transition needs 2 clips to connect, so make sure you've placed them in the order you want your video to play. After that, position the clips directly next to each other with no gaps in between. This is important because transitions work best when the clips are touching. If there's empty space between them, the effect may not apply correctly or may not look smooth. Once your clips are lined up, go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library where CapCut organizes different transition effects into categories. From the left panel, click the Blur category. This section contains blur-based effects designed to soften the visual change from one clip to the next. Now, locate the transition called Simple Blur. If you don't already have it installed, you'll see a download icon. Click that icon and wait for the download to finish. This usually only takes a moment, but it's best to wait until CapCut fully installs the effect before trying to use it. When the transition is ready, click the plus button to apply it, or simply drag the Simple Blur transition between the 2 clips on your timeline. Then wait for it to appear in place. You should now see the transition sitting right at the cut between your clips, which means it has been added successfully. To fine-tune it, click the transition directly on the timeline. This allows you to adjust the duration if needed. A shorter duration will make the transition feel quicker and more subtle, while a longer duration creates a smoother, more noticeable blend. Choose the timing that fits the pace and style of your edit. After making any adjustments, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch the moment where the first clip changes into the second and make sure the blur effect looks clean and natural. If everything looks smooth, that confirms the Simple Blur transition has been successfully applied. And that's it. You now know how to add a simple blur transition in CapCut Desktop and customize it for a polished, professional-looking edit.